That's scary. Look, this is as far as it goes. That's all. Darin! She probably has her eyes closed on. Wait till it goes all the way. Look at her, he's all crying. It's stopping. See, that's over. Wala na. Oh. Darin, are you okay?
I think I'm gonna pass out.
Don't pass out. It's almost over. It's almost over. See, they're stopping it. It's almost over. It's almost over. They're almost, it's almost over. Oh, this ride is extraordinarily long. This ride is extraordinarily long. Oh, there's no sign of stopping. It might be broke. And honestly, it might be broke. Those guys look like there's... Just close your eyes, you'll be okay. You'll be okay. See, they're turning it off now. They're turning it off. They're turning it off. Voila! Okay, you can turn it off now. Kill it. I think it might be stuck. I think the ride might legitimately be stuck. Okay, I feel it. It's stopping. It's stopped. Nope. It's stopping. There we go. There we go. The brakes are engaged. You all right?
Oh.
All right. Darin! Kumusta?
Siguro umiyak na.
Oh, they're going again. Yeah, that was a pretty long ride. We're going on 5.5 minutes on this ride. And we saw a girl yakking. She was yakking up there and kind of... Darlene! Kamusta? Mabuti?
I think I'm gonna pass out.
That's it? Wala na? We're good?
Oh my goodness.
Which way? This way? Oh, that way. That way?
We'll exit. Here. Kasi hindi ka mamamatay. Ito yung ano ba yun?
You were right. You were right.
Oh yeah.
I was following the crowd. I was being a...
I thought I'm gonna pass.
So how was it? You okay?
No, not really.
You ever been...
Huh?
Are you gonna throw up like that girl?
No. Yo. I feel dizzy. Alam mo naman ako, nanginginig ako.
All right, that's it. No more. You want to throw up like that girl?
No, you bite.
Your legs are shaking?
Oo. Hey.
Okay. It's over.
Nakakatakot pala yan.
We made it. We made it.